transform the mood at the club after a difficult couple of weeks or so?
Yeah, it's been a difficult couple of weeks, and obviously with the results that we've had, it was good today to get back to our winning ways, and something we can build on from here.
Important to get the first goal in light of what you've just said about the difficult week.
Yeah, obviously it makes a big difference, going a goal up rather than a goal down, and yeah, to get the early goal, it was good for us, and it set the standard for the rest of the game.
Alex, first league start, first league goal, not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. I enjoyed the moment, but I'm happy that the team won. That's the positive. That's what we're going to take into the next game.
Signs of a partnership between you blossoming.
Yeah, I'm enjoying training, playing with him, gives me confidence, always helping me out, giving me advice. Yeah, I'm enjoying playing with him.
Keeps you in the title race, Danny. Closer to get from Leicester and Spurs, at least for the time being. It shows you're not giving up.
I think the most important thing for us is just to worry about ourselves. You know, that's the only thing we can do, and not going to have an effect on other teams' results and that. So yeah, I think worry about ourselves and just do what we can do.
It feels a slightly new freshness to the side with yourself coming in, Alex, and then he's in. Seems a bit of a buzz now, coming back.
Yeah, we're all excited, we're all confident in training. Even though we had a difficult week, we're trying to put that aside and concentrate on the league.
First league start, first league goal, first man of the match award. Danny, would you do the honours for Alex, please?
I don't know, Alex.
Thanks, bro.
I don't know who will be.
See you, boys. Thank you.